নয়ন এর সঠিক প্রকৃতি প্রত্যয় কি? অপশন ক নি যোগ অনট। অনুধাবন সমস্ত পদটির অনু পূর্বপদটি কি অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে? পশ্চাৎ অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে। ভাবাদিকরণে সবসময় কোন বিভক্তি যুক্ত হয়? সপ্তমী বিভক্তি। নিচের কোনগুলো পরাশ্রয়ী বর্ণ? অপশন খ অনুস্বার এবং বিসর্গ। নিচের কোন বানানটি সঠিক? অপশনে জিগিসা শব্দটির সঠিক বানান অপশন গ। বাক্যের প্রকাশভঙ্গি অনুসারে কর্তা কয় প্রকার? 3 প্রকার। টাকাটা ধার দিয়ে তুমি আমার মুখ রেখেছ। এ বাক্যে মুখ কি অর্থে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে? সম্মান অর্থে। কোন শব্দটি শুদ্ধ বানানে লিখিত নয়? প্রজ্জ্বল। চকলেট শব্দটি কোন ভাষা থেকে বাংলা ভাষায় এসেছে? মেক্সিকান। সুতি কাপড় অনেক দিন টিকে কোন বাচ্য? কর্ম কর্তৃবাচ্য। এদেশের বুকে 18 আসুক নেমে কোন বৈশিষ্ট্যের কারণে কবি 18 প্রত্যাশা করেছেন? অপশন ক সনেটের বৈশিষ্ট্য 1 14 চরণ বিশিষ্ট, 2 প্রতি চরণে 14 মাত্রা, 3 3 পর্ব। নিচের কোনটি সঠিক? অপশন গ মিছা মণি মুক্তা হেম স্বদেশের প্রিয় প্রেম তার চেয়ে রত্ন নাই আর। এই কবিতাংশের ভাব নিচের কোন কবিতায় প্রকট হয়ে ধরা দিয়েছে? কপোতাক্ষ। আমরা আলোচনা করে ঠিক করেছি যাই হোক না কেন আমরা অনশন ভাঙব না। যদি এই পথেই মৃত্যু এসে থাকে তবে তাই হবে। উক্তিগুলো কার রচিত? বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান। ব্রহ্মপুত্র শব্দে যুক্তবর্ণের কোন কোন বর্ণ রয়েছে? অপশন গ হ ম। ক বর্গের ধ্বনিসমূহের উচ্চারণ স্থান কোনটি? জিহ্বামূল। কোনটি পরপদ প্রধান সমাস? কর্মধারয়। লাজুক কোন ধরনের শব্দ? যৌগিক শব্দ। শশাঙ্ক এর সমার্থক শব্দ কোনটি? চাঁদ। 80-20 কোন বহুব্রীহি সমাসের উদাহরণ? ব্যাধিকরণ বহুব্রীহি। হুইচ ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট স্পেলিং? অপশন গ হচ্ছে কারেক্ট স্পেলিং। দ্য ড্যাশ 7th grader toward over the other players on his basketball team. শূন্যস্থানে হবে অপশন ক গ্যাংলিং। The dash deer stuck close to its mother when venturing out into the open field. শূন্যস্থানে হবে অপশন খ ইয়ারলিং। The rebel spies were charged with dash and put on trial. শূন্যস্থানে হবে অপশন ক sedition. What is the past participle of dive? অপশনে ক এবং ঘ উভয়ই সঠিক। What is the feminine of ram? অপশন ক ইউ। Synonym of louse is indecent. The plural form of deer is deer. A group of bears is called sleuth. Antonym of demur is embrace. A group of bats is called colony. Which is the correct spelling? Option ঘ minuscule. The passive voice of who is John inviting? Option K. Who is being invited by John? Choose the similar word sitar, guitar, tanpura. Option K. Violin. Like a sitting duck means vulnerable. Synonym of stentorian is loud. Antonym of approbate is condemn. Antonym of approbate is condemn. To lute dash এরপরে হবে লিউট হোল ড্যাশ হোল পিট শূন্যস্থানে হবে সাম গল ভেক্স হেক্স ড্যাশ শূন্যস্থানে হবে জিনেক্স Melissa is 4 times as old as Jim. Pat is 5 years older than Melissa. If Jim is Y years old, how old is Pat? 4y plus 5. The temperature in a city was 20 degrees Celsius. What is the equivalent of this temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? 68 degree. The average arithmetic mean of x and y is 20. If z equal 5, what is the average of x, y and z? 15. The sum of two integers is 36 and the difference is 6. What is the smaller of the two numbers? 15. The angle measures of the base angles of an isosceles triangle are represented by x and the vertex angle is 3x plus 10. Find the measure of base angle. 34 degree. Wendy has 5 pairs of pants and 8 shirts. How many different combinations can she make with these items? 40. Max goes to the gym every 4th day. Ellen's exercise routine is to go every 3rd day. Today is Monday and both Max and Ellen are at the gym. What will the day of the week be the next time they are both at the gym? Saturday. The width of a rectangle is 20 cm. The diagonal is 8 cm more than the length. Find the length of the rectangle. 21. Find the next number in the following pattern. Option G 20. Which of the following terms does not describe the number 9? Prime. A bus picks up a ground of tourists at a hotel. The sightseeing bus travels 2 blocks north, 2 blocks east, 1 block south, 2 blocks east, and 1 block south. Where is the bus is relation to the hotel? 4 blocks east. 2 planes leave the airport at the same time. Minutes later, plane A is 70 miles due north of the airport. How far apart are the 2 airplanes? 182 miles. If the area of a small pizza is 78.5 inches, what size pizza box would best fit the small pizza? 10 inch. If the radius of a circle is tripled, the circumference is multiplied by 3. Jennifer flipped a coin 3 times and got heads each time. What is the probability that she gets heads on the next flip? Half. What is the greatest common factor of 24 and 64? 8. What is the annual interest rate on an account that earns taka 948 in simple interest over 36 months with an initial deposit of taka 7,900? 4%. There are 5 doors to a lecture room. In how many ways can a student enter the room through a door and leave the room by a different door? 20. If machine A polishes X units in 12 minutes and machine B polishes 5X units in 40 minutes, in how many minutes will A and B working together polish 50X units? 240. When a positive integer m is divided by another positive integer n, the remainder obtained is 8 if m by n equal 89.32. What is the value of n? 25. If a bookstore owner buys 15 books less for taka 900, when the price of each book goes up by taka 3, then find the original price of a book. Taka 12. A train takes 10 seconds to cross a pole and 20 seconds to cross a platform of length 200 meter. What is the length of the train? 200 meter. An employee's annual salary was increased taka 15,000. If her new annual salary now equals taka 90,000, what was the percent increase? 20%. Kona deposited taka 505 into her savings account. If the interest rate of the account is 5% per year, how much interest will she have made after 4 years? 101. Bill and Ben can clean the garage together in 6 hours. If it takes Bill 10 hours working alone, how long will it take Ben working alone? 15 hours. The perimeter of a rectangle is 104 inches. The weight is 6 inches less than 3 times the length. Find the weight of the rectangle. 37.5 inches. 3 shirts and 5 ties cost taka 23. 5 shirts and 1 tie cost taka 20. What is the price of 1 shirt? 3.50. The sum of the square of a number and 12 times the number is 27. What is the smaller possible value of this number? -9. A sector of a circle of radius 5 cm is recast into a right circular cone of height 4 cm. What is the volume of the resulting cone? Option Co. The area of a rectangular classroom is x square minus 25. Which of the following binomials could represent the length and the width of the room? Option Go. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wires of telephone network is DSL. INI extension refers usually to what kind of file? System file. What function key does F3 stand for in most computers? Find. User developed instructions for Excel are called macros. Chips are made up of millions of tiny parts or switches known as transistors. The ASCII code of C is 67. Which key can be used to display the shape as box in MS Word? Function 12. Which of the following is not an internet search engine? Windows. Firmware is built in ROM. Which one of the following is in an extension of video file format in computer? MPG. What is the capital of Estonia? Tallinn. Which of the following is not a central bank? State Bank of India. Broadcasting rights of BCB for the recent 2 years is given Bentech. Which country has introduced a new currency with 6 fewer zeros recently? Venezuela. Manat is the currency of which country? Azerbaijan. Mexico is a member of which of the following regional agreement? NAFTA. Which African country first recognized Bangladesh after the liberation war? Senegal. Suez Canal is owned by which country? Egypt. Which of the following is not a function of the Central Bank of Bangladesh? Formulating fiscal policy. Who won the Nobel Prize 2021 in economics? David Card. Which of the following organization is responsible for certifying quality standards of goods produced in Bangladesh? BSTI. What does GSP stand for? Generalized System of Preferences. Where will the next FIFA World Cup take place? Qatar. How many European Union member countries have adopted euro as their official currency? 19. According to the latest BBS data, per capita income of Bangladesh is option G. Who is the current foreign minister of Germany? Heiko Maas. Government of a country usually gives which of the following incentive to promote agriculture sector of a country? Subsidy. What is the size of national budget of Bangladesh for the fiscal year 2021 থেকে 22? Option K. Which of the following stock markets is located at the New York City? Option K. Value added tax is an example of what type of tax? Indirect tax.